How to create a Kraken account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can create a Kraken account. For this, you will have to download and install the Kraken app on your device. If you have not done that already, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Kraken. Then tap on the install option and have this application installed on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Now you want to tap on the create account option. Here you first of all have to enter your email address. Now tap on continue. Next thing you want to do is create a password. Make sure that your password follows all of these requirements. Now tap on the continue option. Next thing you want to do is choose the country of residence. Once that is done, tap on the create account option. And now to activate your account, you want to open the link sent to the email address you just entered. This is the email that Kraken has sent to you. You want to tap on the activate account option, or you can also copy this verification code, head over to the Kraken app, then paste that code. And as you can see, your account has been activated. Tap on the continue option, and here you want to enter your number and follow the rest of the steps to complete your profile. And in this way, you can very easily sign up in Kraken account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.